Now we'll study how to put this expression into a kmap. Okay. Now we can see that how many variables are there. There are four variables, and you know that bar represents for 0 and a like without bar represents for 1, right? So we'll draw the no, 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 no. No, it is fixed. It is a standard. Like generally we'll take a as a 1 and a bar is a 0. Okay. It is a standard journal form. If we'll take a bar means bar always represents 0 in the standard form. Okay. Now you can see that there are four variables. One is a, b, c, d. Now we have to draw the curves like four variable kmap. This one is again 0, 1, leave the third column, 2, 3, 4, 5, leave the third, 6, 7. Again leave the third row, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, leave the third one, 14, 15. Okay. Now I told you that it represents first 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Correct? CD also represented by 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So can we write down 0, 0 as A bar, B bar? As I told you, 0 always represented by bar. Okay, it is A and B now. So for this, what would be? A bar, B. Now tell me for this 1, 1, what I can write down here? A, B. Similarly, tell me for here, A, B bar. Now tell me for this C bar, D bar. This one would be C bar D, C D, and C D bar. Okay, any doubt? Good. Now see, they have said first term is A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Okay, this is I am telling you for the SOAP form. SOAP form is basically the sum of products. Okay, and that is represented by sigma m. In the SOAP form, this is standard form. Like A is always represented by 1 and A bar is always represented by 0. If we'll take the pose form is the product of sum that I'll discuss in the next class. In that is opposite. A is represented by 0 and A bar is represented by 1. Okay, so we are discussing the standard form and that is the SOAP form. Clear? Now see A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. This one is the A bar, B bar and this one is the C bar, D bar. This one is represented by 1. Clear? Next one is A bar, B bar and CD. A bar, B bar is this one and CD column is this one. So here we can write down 1. Next one is A bar, B, C, D bar. A bar, B is this one and C, D bar is this one. So here we can write down 1. Correct? Next one is this one A, B, C bar, D bar. A, B is this one and C bar, D bar is this one, right? So here we'll write down 1. So whatever the terms are present in that term we'll write down 1, else are represented by 0. Else you can cover another terms with the 0. Okay, clear? This is the kmap for the final of this is a kmap of this expression. Now we have to solve it. Will how to solve it that we'll discuss.